Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and watch this video. Okay guys, this is a video for basic mathematics. So by the way, what are mostly questions in basic mathematics? Mostly the basic question for basic mathematics are the mostly for fundamentals. We have the division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And sometimes it's also used for the pendants with the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, and subtraction. It can be also applied at the age problem, work problem, rate problem, mixture problem, and can be applied also as a numerical analogy. And we also use for the geometrical figures. And it has no analytic geometry, the formula there. It has no trigonometry. It has no differential calculus, as well as the higher math. Basic mathematics problem is usually used for the career civil service exam, LEP general education or math majors, student achievement test, and college entrance test. It depends upon the school where you are applying for. If you have only applied for example, business administration, you just can only do some basic mathematics because trigonometry is not applicable for business administration. Basic mathematics is also used for national achievement assessment test, especially if you want to take for the elementary and as well as in high school for grade 10 or grade 12. And basically, when we speak about basic mathematics, there are lots of problems here. It can be a part in business math, like for example, percentage. It can be also in the part geometrical figures. So mostly, it has also a fraction. It has also the positive and negative integers. And mostly basic question from grade 1 up to grade 12. So guys, keep in touch here. The basic mathematics. You will learn a lot because I will do a video from 1 to 100. Please subscribe my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, the red one, so that you will be notified here in my YouTube Math Academic Knowledge. Okay, let's proceed for problem number 1. Problem number 1. 14 plus 16, that is an open and closed parenthesis for 14 plus 16 times 2 minus 2 times open parenthesis 30 plus 0 times 2 minus 2. So first, what will you do is to have an order operations for the pendants. So what will you do is just first, you need to add 14 plus 16. That is 30 times 2. Right? And then, so this will become 0 times 2 will become 0. So 2. So 30 plus 0. Right? Because 0 times 2 will become 0, this will be the 0, minus 2, so automatically this will become 60, so 30 plus 0 will become 30, 30 times 2 will become 60, minus 2, and then you will cancel and cancel this one, and the remaining will be negative 2. So the answer is letter B. Take note guys, the letter B. You should be careful in applying for the mathematics, especially for the BEM dance or the boom dance. Okay, next we have now problem number 2, and then we will erase this one. See to it that we will explain in the YouTube Your board will be very clean. Okay, number 2. Let's proceed for the number 2. Okay, number 2. Let's proceed for number 2. What is the cube root of 3 squared times 3? So, automatically, 3 squared times 3 will become 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And we know that this is a cube root of 27. It means to say, this will become square root of 3 to 27. And think of the number, this will become 3 to the 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So, automatically, our x will be 3. So, the best answer is letter C. Take note, guys, don't be confused in the cube root. Do not multiply 3 squared times 3 will become 27. Hey, what's the value of x? Satisfy the equation 5x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 7. So, this will be problem number 3. I repeat, what value of x will satisfy the equation 5x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 7. So, first, this is already a linear equation. We know that the 5x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 7, automatically 5x minus 3x is equals to negative 7. So, positive 7 will become negative 7. So, 5x minus 3x will become 2x. And this will become negative 14, right? So, divided by 2, and then x will become negative 7. So, the final answer is negative 7. Okay, let's try to check this one. So, 5 multiplied by negative 7 plus 7 is equals to 3 times negative 7 minus 7. So, 5 times 7 will become negative 35. Negative 35 plus 7, and this will become negative 21 minus 7. Automatically, negative 35 minus 7. So, negative 35 minus 7, we have negative 28. Is that correct? And the answer also, this one, will become negative 28. So, our answer is correct. Negative 7. Okay. Let's proceed for number 3. Number 4. So, this is very easy. So, if you are math contest, if you are very sure to your answer, and if you know your answer accurately, you don't have to be checked because it will be time consuming. So, next we have number 4. Number 4. Let's have this one. 6 minus 0.05 plus 2.9. So, this is just already a decimal. So, automatically, if you will subtract 6, so 6.05 plus 2.9. So, what will you do is to subtract. You add 0, 0, and then and you will put a decimal 0.05. So, then after that, this will become 10, 5. This will become 9, 9. And then this will become 5. So, 5. And then after that, you will add 2.5. And then 5. This will become 14. Carry 1. And then 8. The answer is 8.45. But the nearest answer for that will be 8.4. So the answer is letter B. Take note, the answer is letter B. Don't forget to add also decimal places. That will be the whole number. If you will subtract that to another decimal places in subtraction. Okay, let's proceed for number 5. Let's proceed for number 5. Where is our number 5? Number 5. Okay, this will be the problem for number 5. The volume of a cube, that is 729 cubic meter. What is the total area of each square? So, we know that the volume of a cube. We know that the volume of a cube, this is the cube. We will draw this one. It represents like this one. Right? So, each side will be, the total volume is 729 cubic meter. So, that will be 729. So, if you will cube this one, so by the 3, cube root of 3 of 729, we have 9, right? By the each side. This will be the side. So, because 9 times 9 times 9, the answer is 729. And what is the total area? They are asking for the total area. So, each area will be, if we will look for the cube, this will be 9, right? So, 9 times 9, area for each side will be 9 times 9 will become 81, right? 81. So, 1, 2, at the back. So, how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 81 times 6. In 6 spaces, we have 6. 8 times 6 is 48. And automatically, 486 meters squared. So, this will be our final answer. So, the total area, 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the back. So, the answer is letter A. Take note, letter A. 486 square meter total area of a cube if the side will be 9 meters. Okay, let's go for number 6. Let's go for the number 6. What is the area of a triangle with a base of 4 meters and a height of 6 meters? So, the area, what is the area of triangle? What is the formula of the area of triangle? We know that the area of triangle is 1/2 base times height. Right? So, area will be 1/2 base times height. And then, 1/2, we have the 4 meters times the 6 meter. So, 4 times 6 will be 24 meters squared. So, divided by 2, the answer is 12 meters squared or 12 square meters. So, that will be the answer. And the answer is letter B. So, the answer is letter B. So, let's proceed for number 7. Let's proceed for number 7. Okay, this is already in a percentage. So, 35% of 100. We know that 35% will change to decimal and move to decimal places. This become 0.35. Then after that, we will multiply by 35. So if we will got 0, 0, this will become 35. And then move to decimal places. The answer is letter B. Take note. So the answer is letter B. For the 35% of 100 is 35. Okay. So let's proceed for number 8. Do we have number 8 now? Do we have a number 8 in our given problem? Okay. This is number 8. A Nike shoes is worth 5,600 with 10% discount. What is the new price of the Nike shoes? So, the Nike shoes at present is 5,600. We know that this is a 5,600 with a 10% discount. Again, 10% will change again to decimal place. This will become 0.10, right? And then we will multiply 0, 0, 0, 0. This will become 0, 0, 6, 5. And then after that 0, 0, 0, 6, and then 5. And then that will be 560. So 5,600 minus 560. So we will subtract because that will be discounted price to the original price. So 0. This will become 4. This will become 0 and then 5. So automatically, the price of the new shoes will be 5,040. So 5,450 pesos. So this will be our answer for number 8. Let's proceed for number 9. This is just very easy, guys. If you think that you know already the basic mathematics, it's not hard for you to answer your career civil service exam. You should know what is the business mathematics, algebra, basic algebra, and at the same time the geometrical figures, and as well as the other measurement. This is already a direct. Sometimes it's just only a basic ones. It is not already use your calculator. But don't worry, I will give more complicated questions so that you'll be familiarized with the any kind of examinations. So let's proceed for number 9. You can also watch my other YouTube in Math Problem 1, Math Problem 2, and Math Problem 3. There are some age problem there, work problem. Okay, let's proceed for number 9. 24 subtracted from 2b is equals to 268. What is the value of b? We know that subtracted from, we need to start from the 2b, right? So 2b, so minus 24 is equals to 268. And then 2b, so equal to 268. Then this will become positive 24. So automatically 2b. So 8 plus 4 will become 12. Carry 1. So 1 plus 6 will become 7. Plus 2 will become 9. And then 4. So divided by 2. Divided by 2. And then b will become, so 492 divided by 2. So 4. So this will become, this will become 292. 1 times 2. This will become 9. 9 divided by 2 will become 4. And this will become 8. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the answer is 146. So our B will become 146. So let's try to check if this is correct. we will go back to the formula 2b minus 24 to 68. And we know that the b is 146 minus 24 is equals to 268. And then 2 times 6 will become 12 plus 1. This will become 2 times 4. 8 plus 1 will be 9. And 1 times 2 will become 2. Minus 24 is equals to 268. So this will become 12 minus 4 will become 8. And then this will become 8. Minus 2 will become 6. So bring down 2. So there are both correct answer. So our answer is 146. So let's proceed for number 10. Let's proceed for number 10. Okay, change 100% to fraction. What is the secret way in order you to answer into fraction? So again, 125 is always divided by 100. So move to decimal places. It will become 1, 2. That will become 125. How will you change that into fraction? So 1.25, it means to say this is 25 over 100. So 25 and 100 is divisible by 25 and then 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. And then 100 divided by 25 is 4. So the answer is 1 plus 1 and 1/4 or 1 and 1/4. So 1 plus 1 and 4 will become 1 and 1/4. So the answer is 1 and 1/4. So the answer is letter B. Take note guys, that is just on how to solve a fraction or percent to fraction. Okay guys, keep in touch. Again, so my advice to you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. I will teach you on how to solve any problem techniques without using calculator for the basic mathematics, especially if you want to pass your career civil service exam for this year, or if you want to pass especially for the student achievement test, college entrance test, as well as the LET for general education, as well as LET for math majors. So guys, don't forget also to pray so that you have already your guidance and knowledge. Thank you.